Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to make profile and cover photo looks cute. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open Play Store and search here Smart Photo Cut, and now install this application and now open this. And now click on Facebook cover and profile and click on select image, and now select a photo from your gallery and resize the photo and drag the photo. And here we can see a watermark has been added. To remove the watermark, simply click on tap to remove and click on watch video add and cross this, and here you can see the watermark has been gone. And now click on save. And now let's see how to add the photo. Open Facebook application and go to your profile and click on profile picture. Select profile picture and select the cutted photo, lower bird, and click on save. And now tap off add cover photo, upload photo, and now select the upper part of the photo and click on save. And here you can see the photo has been created and it's so cute. So this was how we can make profile and cover photo cute. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.